Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this prom makeup look that I did. I think this look would look really good with like white dresses and black dresses and like champagne colors maybe. Something neutral, but it also would look good with like a red dress or something, or you could just switch up the colors and make it look good with whatever color dress that you have. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up for me, and also leave a comment down below. And if you want to see how I got this prom makeup look, which was really easy to do by the way, then please just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start out with the eyes, and I'm going to be priming with concealer. This is my NARS concealer. So I'm gonna wet my beauty blender, whatever. I'm taking my translucent Kat Von D powder just to set that, and then I'm gonna be taking some tape and putting that on the outer parts of my eyes because I want this look to be really like defined. I'm just gonna put it like following my lower lash line. Anyway, moving on, I'm going to be using my Kylie burgundy palette. You can really find the colors in this like in drugstore palettes too. I'm just going to be starting out with this orange shade. You don't have to have this palette to do this look. And I'm just going to be putting that in my crease a little. And kind of putting it on my outer corner as well. I'm going to be taking a clean brush and blending out the edges. And then I'm just going to be packing it more on the outer part of my eye. And blending it. And again, taking the clean brush and blending the edges. For prom, I always recommend like doing your eyeshadow first, just so if you have any fallout, you don't have to like ruin your face makeup. And then the next shade I'm going to be taking is this one. It's called Almond. The first one was called Penny, by the way. This one's called Almond. I'm going to be putting this on the outer corner only. And then again, taking that brush and blending it. And then I'm just going to keep packing it on until it's at the depth that I want it to be at. Key to eyeshadow is to blend, blend, blend until it looks the way you want it to. Next, I'm going to be taking this Stila liquid eyeshadow in Smoky Storm. It looks like this. It's just like gold. And I'm going to be taking it on this brush and kind of doing like a cut crease, well, a half cut crease. And then open your eye so it doesn't transfer. I don't want to keep like your eye like open like this until it dries because you don't want it to like, you know, move around. Okay, and then I'm just going to take more of that almond shade for the outer corner and blend that glitter a little bit. This is going to be wicked harsh when I take it off, but I'm going to blend it. And everything will look better after face makeup. Okay, now taking these off. Look how harsh it is. Blend it a little. Now, moving on to the face, I'm going to be priming with the Porefessional because on prom you don't want to have any pores. It look horrible. Porefessional in the main area where I get pores and where I get like oily, which is on my forehead. And then for foundation, you want to make sure that it has no sunblock in it, like no SPF, because you will look like a ghost in flash photography. So I'm going to be using my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. This is what I wore to my prom. Looks good in pictures, so I'm just going to be applying this with a brush first. Over that with my beauty blender. And then for concealer, I'm going to be using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Vanilla. I'm putting that under my eyes. Let me put that on my chin, a little on my nose, and up here. And put it obviously on any like breakouts you have and stuff. Okay, and now I'm going to set my face with some powder, but honestly, like, translucent powders scare me for prom and pictures in general. Even if they don't have flashback, it's still, I just don't trust it. So I'm going to be taking my Anastasia contour kit and taking these two shades right here and mixing them and putting those on my under eyes. The yellow one is going to like brighten, so it'll make it your dark circles look less visible, like mine. They're really bad. I'm just going to set around my nose too, and my chin. And now I'm going to be taking my Anastasia contour, cream contour kit, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here. Which one? This one? A mix of these two. And putting that on my beauty blender, like the balm, and putting that on my cheeks. Make sure you're pushing it into your hairline, especially if you're wearing your hair up. You don't want to be able to see like that color difference. It ain't gonna look cute. And then I'm just gonna take that on my jawline as well. I'm gonna contour my nose, but I'm gonna do it with powder because I feel like cream just gets messy. I'm gonna be taking Fawn from the Anastasia contour kit, the powder one, and just like a little pencil brush to contour my nose. And I'm gonna be putting the lines like closer to the center of my nose, because when you do that, it makes your nose look skinnier, like outer parts. It'll make your nose look bigger. So whatever you want for your nose, just do that, or just don't do a nose contour. But I like to add a like color to my nose just because I feel like if I don't, it just like stands out in the center of my face, and I don't like that. And then I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. This is what it looks like, and bronzing up my face. Also, don't forget to set your smile lines like I did, so they don't crease. I'm going to be taking that yellow shade and putting that under my contour. And then I'm going to be taking my Kylie Burgundy palette again, and I'm just going to be taking the tiniest bit of this orange shade for my lower lash line because I don't want it to be too dramatic down here. I'm keeping it pretty close to the lash line. And then for blush, I'm going to be taking my Tarte in the shade Paaarty. And then I'm going to blend everything. And then for brows, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Brow Wiz. I'm going to do this off camera. And then this is where my audio stopped recording, so I'm going to be doing a voiceover for the rest of this video, which thankfully isn't that long. So I was just going to do my highlighter, which I'm using the Carli Bybel and BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm just using the gold shade and putting it on my cheekbones, my nose, and my brow bones, and the tiniest bit on my inner corners because I don't want to take away from the glitter. And then for mascara, I used this one from eyeko and then my L'Oreal Telescopic. And then I just lined my lips with Stripped from BH Cosmetics. And the lipstick I'm using is Angel from MAC. And then over top of that, I'm just using my Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss. And then to set my face, I'm using this NYX Matte Setting Spray. and that's the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.